Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind.
You're a star in my head. Is it you? Not even raise war with my friends, no, no. This one I got you with the job. I know get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. Whenever she too down, do you be my
Hi lovelies, welcome to another vlog. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Juliet. If you're a returning subscriber or a person returning to watch my videos, this is Juliet Bonaya. I do vlogs and lifestyle content generally. So today is Wednesday. I'm actually introducing this vlog right now. Thank you for always watching, coming back, my returning subscribers. I really appreciate. I'm cooking spaghetti and eggs, just toast eggs. I feel like I don't want to cook right now, so let us go into the cooking process. Yeah, let's not waste time introducing this vlog. Okay, so kindly do subscribe, like, and share this content. Yeah, a lot of you are watching but you're not subscribing, guys, so please give me some love. Okay, yeah, thank you anyway for watching.
only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Move fast when you do what you
Fast food.
want. Doing what you want. Doing what you want.
I'm so hungry. I don't know when but I'm really busy.
My new bitch look like
Just
Halle
cook
Berry,
real quick.
but she don't love
I
me,
need
she
to
too scared.
tomato.
My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. Whenever she too down, do you be my sweet lady? I
Of
wanna
course,
touch you
black pepper any day, anytime. I really love it. Tangawizi also for taste. Chili flakes, a must.
Give me a mirror for myself. In the mirror of myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. I've been gone for a year, only know like months. But it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Finally, our dinner is ready. I can't wait to just have a taste. Let me not lie, I tasted already. But let me taste with you.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what
Spicy.
you want. Hope you doing what you want.
I love that they are spicy. Yeah.
What you want.
Pili and me, we are this way. This way. I love pili so much. Another bite since one is not enough. Nice. Let me go finish the rest. Yeah. This is not demure, not courtesy. Eating while standing, okay? So let's go and sit and have this meal.
Now my picture Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, you're a star in my head. You, I need to raise water with my friends. True, you're so bad when I need to be down, but I don't want more with you or my friends. You're my lady, you're my lady. We say you, we can party, yeah, yeah. We got you, you're my best friend. All the way around, I know you. I got money on me, I know you. I got money in my pocket, I know you. Pain goes away when I'm dizzy. Pain goes away when you're with me. Even when your shadows a little risky, it's alright, let me go. Shawty, just don't let this go. Just don't let this go. Please, baby, let me suffer on. Split this on my phone.
Hi lovelies, I hope you are all doing okay. I have several things I want to unbox with you. I passed by this lady and got this. This is rose water. Yeah, rose water for my face. I just want to try some new skincare products. That's why I got this. I decided to get it. It's creamy wash for acne prone skin and oil control. Contain vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid. I hope it helps. I got coconut oil for my hair. The bigger package is this. I just decided to get earpods, and I got two. One is mine, one is for a friend. Yeah. Okay, so this is how they come. A USB cable and the earpods themselves. Yeah, let me just. This is not mine. I guess this is not mine. So here they are. I'm yet to try them. I also don't like the fear kill mall. Just know that. Yeah, well, okay. Don't worry to order. Just order. Look at them. Look at them. Just so perfect way. I don't know, but this is how they look. This is the second one. This one is very, very nice. It has a power bank and the earpods themselves are here. So I think this is what we will be using to charge. Wow, so nice. Look at that. And this is what I ordered. This was going for 580 shillings. Yeah, I guess it was 580. And these ones were 450 shillings. Alright, so this is where you open to put the USB and charge them. It also came with extra earpods, maybe extra things, rubbers to put on the ears. So yeah, so the two of them are charging. So this one is so nice since it has this power bank. Oh my god, it looks so good, so quality, so nice. Also, not to forget, I got this. So nice, so classy. Now my weekends are sorted with those mini twists. I think I'll work with this one. So very nice. Yeah, this was meant for 350 shillings. Yeah, this is what I'll use to be tying my head and going to those random dates. Very nice. I just admired this one. It's a Dior scarf. I love it. I think this is the favorite thing, the best thing I got myself. Yeah. Since it's Friday, I decided my money, how little it is, how little it was, I'll spend on me. Okay? That's it for now. So bye bye, and talk later, or see one another later. Thank you.